Nature has millions of wonders in its womb. Sweet, nutritious peas are stored inside a pod. Remove the hard outer shell of a coconut and you will get delicious, nutritious cocoa water and soft coconut. Even the most expensive pearl is protected within the hard shell called oyster. Nature has its ways of packaging to keep the product hygienic and safe. Taking inspiration from nature to provide a complete packaging solution, we took a step in the year 1998. This was the year when Smart Pack was born in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. We are on a mission of safe and hygienic packaging the same way as nature does. Over the years, under the visionary guidance of Mr. Vivek Joshi, Smart Pack has become an epitome of unparalleled packaging solution for all industrial needs. As nature has numerous ways of protecting and packaging various things, Smart Pack also understands that one packaging solution won't suffice all requirements. Different products have different packaging needs. Therefore, Smart Pack provides various packaging solutions for varied requirements. Be it seal packing to keep contents of container fresh, hygienic and pure, or shrink packaging to entice a customer towards your product, Smart Pack has myriad machines and equipment well calibrated for your diverse needs. Logistics have become very easy for industries and SMEs because Smart Pack provides apt strapping machines and batch coding machines, enabling them to transport their products safely and coding them meticulously. In the century we are living, nothing can sustain but innovation. We understand that the core of any industry lies in innovation. Day in, day out, industries are innovating and taking new measures to become distinctively different and mark their presence. Changing working conditions, norms, circumstances, and product lines demand more flexible packaging solution. Therefore, to meet your growing unique requirement, Smart Pack has custom-made solutions exactly the way you always wanted it to be. Your unique product has unique packaging, enabling your product to stand out in the market and capture maximum eyeballs. As India ascends the ladder of economic growth to become the fifth largest economy, growing at an exponential rate, every sector should contribute its bit to make the growth sustainable. To contribute its bit, Smart Pack follows and meets global standards of packaging, calibration, quality of raw material, the efficiency of machines. Everything adheres to national and international standards of the industry. Besides contributing in the nation's economic growth, Smart Pack is showing its reverence towards nature by minimizing wastage and maximizing utilization of resources. We at Smart Pack India believe in building long-lasting relationship with our customers. Employees are trained by giving an atmosphere of optimism, teamwork, and creative resourcefulness, which teaches them to deal with everyone in an open and courteous manner. With a vision of if you have a product, we have a packaging, Smart Pack believes that the end user should get the product exactly the way you want them to get, and therefore offers complete packaging solution under one roof. Smart Pack has a long trail of relations with prestigious clients like Mankind Pharma, Unichem Laboratory, Aisha, Cipla, Tata, Parley, Tafe Motors, Supreme Bituchem India Private Limited, Crown Decor Private Limited, Hindustan Unilever, Imami, Mylan Pharma, Glenmark Pharma. In the rapidly changing economic ecosystem, only the competent will survive. The one who offers benefits to customers will mark its footprint. When it comes to customers' benefits and advantages with packaging solution, Smart Pack is always there to give ease of mind and business.